Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the Insta app. Right now I will show you how to log out from your Insta account. Let's go to the watching. So when we are on the profile page, we need to tap on the three lines icon here and go to the settings. Let's swipe down, appear at list, and tap on the logout option, which is the last one. After clicking on the needful users, I can log out from it after tapping on the logout option at the bottom of the screen, but I want to use only my first account here, log out, and to confirm your choice after tapping on the logout again. So right now I am on my second account because I'm logged out from the first one, and in this way I can smoothly and without any troubles correct the opened account and switched between them. So guys, I hope that this really short tutorial was useful, and from now on you know how to switch out from your current Insta account. Goodbye!